stitch pattern I'm going to show you today is this lovely eyelet pattern. It has columns of knit stitches there and some textured stitches, but it also has these little eyelets. It's a 6-row repeat, fairly easy to do, and the stitch count that you need is a multiple of 4 plus 1. So I've got 4, 8, 12, 16 plus 1 is 17. For row 1, we are going to start with 1 knit stitch, followed by 3 pearls, and we are going to repeat that to the last stitch in the row. So knit 1, purl 3, all the way along, knit 1, purl 3, oops, knit 1, purl 3, and then we come to the last stitch, which we simply knit. Now each wrong side row is the same, it's just purl to the end. So we're coming to the end of row 2. Rows 3 and 4 are exactly the same as 1 and 2. So row 3 then, we are going to knit first stitch and then purl 3. And repeat that. Knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, purl 3. And the last repeat, knit 1, purl 3. And then knit the last stitch. And row 4, wrong side row, we just simply purl. Row 5 is where we start to make the lovely eyelets. So we start with knit 1, and what you're going to do then is a yarn over. So bring the yarn between the needles to the front, and then as you work your next stitch, it will go over the top and create a stitch. Now we have to do a decrease, a central double decrease is what I tend to call it. So you slip the next 2 stitches together as if you were going to knit them together. So just slip them, knit the next stitch, and that yarn goes over the top to knit that stitch. And then with your needle point, take those 2 slip stitches over the top of the stitch you've just worked. And then 1 more yarn over. Let's do all of that again. Knit, yarn over, central double decrease. So slip 2 stitches, knitwise, then knit 1. Pass the 2 stitches over, 1 more yarn over, and knit 1. Yarn over, slip 2, knitwise, knit 1, take the 2 slip stitches over, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 2, knit 1, take the 2 slip stitches over the last stitch that you worked, yarn over and knit 1. Now you should end up with the same number of stitches. If you haven't, you've probably forgotten one of the yarn overs. Now let's finish it off with row 6, which is a purl row. And there we have the lovely pattern with its eyelets, and it's nice and flat because we've got a combination of knits and purls, and so it could be used for an edging where you don't want things to curl, or it could be used on its own. Hope that helps.